Okay, today we are talking about tiling basics. So what are the basic tiling steps, be it a wall or a floor? Well, you want to measure the floor or wall area or countertop, decide on what tiles you want to use, what pattern, and what your starting point is going to be. You then want to calculate the number of tiles you'll need, buy your tools and materials. You want to make sure you prep the surface ahead of time. Make sure it's clean and level. Apply the mortar or adhesive mat. You want to lay the tile nice and level. Use your spacers, a level, a rubber mallet, knee pads if you're laying tile floor. Once the mortar has set, usually for 24 hours, remove your spacers, apply the grout, and keep in mind grout comes in different colors. And then clean away the excess grout with a sponge and water, because you don't want to leave that excess grout on the tile because it'll dry to a hazy film. And then you let your grout set for usually 72 hours. And then you finish your install by caulking around the perimeter, reinstall your trim, baseboards, fixtures, etc. And it's a good idea to clean and seal the grout annually. So you can buy these tiling kits at your local big box store, home center. Just a quick disclaimer, at the time of the recording of this video, this is not a paid promotion for any product or vendor you see on the video. This you can buy at Ace Hardware for 20 bucks. You see it comes with a notch trowel, tile nippers, a sponge, a rubber float, and even with tiling instructions. You may need a tile cutter, and tile cutters come in different sizes. If you're doing this for a living or you have a lot of tile, you can even buy a wet saw. If you're repairing or replacing some old grout, you can buy one of these tools, 12 bucks at Ace Hardware, and that's going to help you scrape out the old grout to install new grout. Tile spacers. So again, at Ace Hardware, 5 bucks for a pack of 300 of these plastic tile spacers. And you can buy this ready mixed adhesive and grout. And again, it comes in different colors. Woo! This one happens to be bright white, 1 quart for $17. You can also buy your thin set. This is gray. Your thin set mortar, again, comes in different capacities. This is a 50-pound bag, 25 bucks.
Wow.
Now, another option, and if you've tried this option, leave a comment below. Let folks know if you recommend the product or not. This one Lowe's has for $35.98. And it's supposed to make tiling a little bit easier. You essentially peel and stick the mat, set your tiles on it, and then grout. It's a little quicker, a little cleaner. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.